Are you a general contractor struggling to get leads for your business? We'll be discussing 10 common general contractor SEO mistakes that you should avoid to improve your search engine rankings and attract more customers. Mistake number 1: not optimizing your website for local SEO. As a general contractor, you rely on local customers to keep your business going. Mistake number 2: not having a mobile-friendly website. Most people use their smartphones to search for local businesses. Mistake number 3: not having a secure website. Google prioritizes secure websites in its search results. Mistake number 4: not having a clear call to action. Your website should have a clear call to action that tells potential customers what to do next. Mistake number 5: not having a blog. A blog is a great way to improve your website's SEO and attract potential customers. Mistake number 6: not using social media. Mistake number 7: not optimize your website's images. Mistake number 8: not using keywords in your website's content. Mistake number 9: not having a Google My Business listing. Google My Business is a free listing service that helps businesses appear in local search results. And finally, mistake number 10: not tracking your website's analytics. Analytics can provide valuable insights into your website's performance and help you identify areas for improvement. By avoiding these 10 common general contractor SEO mistakes, you can improve your online presence and attract more customers to your business.